Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I am playing with the most exciting eyeshadow palette I have got my hands on in a long time. It is the Beautybay Age of Opulence eyeshadow palette. I have been waiting for my Beautybay package to arrive all day. It was delayed, and guess when it comes? When I sit down to film. I literally only filmed the intro and the game. Anyway, I actually got my hands on the Jade palette, which I'm really excited to play around with, and then they went and released this really nice green palette and another one that's kind of similar to the Age of Opulence palette as well. I've got like a bigger version of that. I'm gonna kind of steer away from that because I've got the Book of Magic and the Age of Opulence, and they're full of rich purples and turquoises and all these beautiful rich tones. So I don't think I need the big palette yet, but if I see it in sale, I'll probably get it because I'm a sucker. I'm a sucker for a pretty palette. Right, so this palette, you can obviously tell that it's gonna be full of blues and purples. I saw this and I literally died. I was like, I need to get it. But me being me, I love a sale. I like a discount. I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it Black Friday, blah blah blah. I don't know what happened. I feel like around Black Friday I was like, no, I'm not gonna buy anything. I bought stuff anyway, but I just didn't pick this up, and then it went out of stock and I was honestly devastated. I was tweeting Beautybay, I was like commenting on the Instagram pictures like, bring it back please. And then randomly one night, I think it was like 2 a.m. I was on the Beautybay website and I saw it was back in stock, and I was like, I was like rushing. It was like getting concert tickets, honestly. Like, you're literally rushing for dear life to that checkout. You want that confirmation email, and here we are. I was like, I'm paying full price for this baby because it is constantly out of stock. I don't even know if it's gonna come back, but here we are. But they've got a new one which has a lot of these tones in there, so I thought let's do a video on this because I'm really inspired by this palette, and because they've got the new one out, you can kind of create something similar. So I've played with Beautybay eyeshadows before. If you look on my channel, I did a review on the Book of Magic, one of my favorite palettes like ever. Bloody beautiful. And that was my first time using Beautybay eyeshadows, and their shimmers, they're so creamy. I'm like, they're actually amazing, so affordable, really creamy, blendable, just perfection, honestly. So yeah, this palette, this is the outer packaging. Now on camera it looks so cool, but when I first saw it I was like, I wasn't sold on this packaging. It wasn't that exciting for me, but now that I see the holographicness in the mirror, I'm like, oh, okay. Take away that it's not that exciting to look at, but wait till you see what's inside. You're gonna be like, are you ready for this? Are you ready? Ta-da! This, it has to be like the most beautiful eyeshadow palette I've seen in a while. Like, it has all my favorite colors in there. It's got like a turquoise, it's got a rich purple, it's got gold. This screams opulence to me. This screams royalty. It's just bloody beautiful. So if you haven't been living under a rock, you have been watching Euphoria, and that is exactly what's gonna inspire my look today. I feel like we're gonna do something with gems. We're gonna do something bold, something creative. I feel very inspired by the show. And the finale was like, what? I'm not gonna give any spoilers, don't worry, but if you know what I'm talking about, it's like, what? So also, I just want to put it out there, Team Maddie all the way. She's everything. Right, so we're gonna get into this palette. I'm literally spoiled for choice. I'm like, what color should I go for? Also, big mirror in here, which is literally exactly what I need. Okay, I'm just gonna talk about my hair for like 1 second. I tried to go brown and it went grey, and I've done a lot of research since. And I need to, you know, do a filler and all sorts because I have no red pigment in my hair. But oh my god, love this color, love it. It's unintentional, but I've always wanted to go grey and I kind of live for it. Right, I'm gonna be quite bold and I'm gonna go into the shade called Hope straight away. It's a very nice like greeny turquoise shade. So the first thing I'm gonna do is take it under the eye. That is so pigmented. All right, I wanna take it up here like so. Honestly, I'm playing today. I am playing. Okay, I wanna take it like up here. It's really pigmented. Honestly, my stomach has been making the weirdest sound. I had 3 chili and lemon Christmas yesterday. It did me no favors. Honestly, my stomach has been like all day today. All day. Yeah, okay, so I've got that shape there like that. We're gonna leave that. We're gonna fill this negative space with this shade called Flapper. This really nice rich purple. Just gonna press it on gently like so. Oh my god, the color combination. I live. Are you seeing that? Like seriously, are you seeing that? Oh my god, I just kind of want to leave it there. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit under the eye. Just the tiniest bit, like really close to lash line, like so. You might be able to see better on this eye. Like very close to the lash line. Kind of making like a really dark blue shade, but it looks good, all like blended. This would not be a Euphoria style look without some glitter, and I'm literally spoilt for choice. I'm like, should I do something blue? Should I do something purple? Should I do something gold? I do think the gold is calling my name. I might swatch some, so I'm gonna swatch Champagne, which is this really nice gold, this purple one, this blue one, and then I really want to swatch this one as well called Crush. It's like a pinky gold. Oh my god, I like barely have to touch and it's full pigment. But these are the swatches. Like honestly, that blue makes me die in the best way. I think we're gonna do a mix of Champagne and a bit of that blue called Revival. So I'm just gonna take Champagne like literally in the inner portion of the eye, and these literally apply like basically like a cream. We're taking it up here. Really want to, with that like kind of wet look. Neatness, like the looks aren't about neatness, it's about being artsy and edgy and literally just playing with color and textures. So we got like that gold in there. This might be like one of the best looks I've done in ages. I can't wait to add the gems. I'm really excited. Honestly, I saw this palette and I knew I needed it. It brings me so much joy. Okay, so I've got kind of like a gold going on there. I feel like I don't want to add that blue here. Might add like a little bit of the blue somewhere else. This color called Crush, and add a little bit of that, the pinky one that I swatched. Add a little bit of that next to the purple. Like here. Yeah, I feel like that's quite nice. Yeah, I'm adding a touch of that purple shimmer called Age next to the matte like purpley pink shade. Just a touch, just to kind of have it start meshing together. Like so, like can you see that purple? I'm kind of blending in all the shades though. I just want like a hint, just so it kind of looks more cohesive. And just so that we can use more shadows, to be honest. Oh no, I love that, love it. Oh, that is so beautiful, flipping heck. I did not expect this look to be like this cool already. I am most definitely gonna take this shade called Revival. I just don't know where I'm gonna stick it yet. I think I might take it like underneath right here, on there. Oh, okay, yes. Kind of looks like a glittery liner, which I ain't mad at. This is literally the best palette like ever. Oh my god, they're just so easy to use. They layer on top of each other so nicely. They're just, oh, just epic. They're just epic. Are we seeing this, guys? So beautiful, it's so pretty. So for the final like extraness, we're gonna take this shade at the top called Gold Digger. I'm gonna stick that in the inner corner and right under the brow bone. Ooh, that's like a really nice fine gold shade. Oh my god, it's so glittery. I actually love it. I live for glitter. I do, I really do. I wish I could walk around sparkly all day every day. If I could, I would. Ooh, are we seeing this? Are we seeing this? I'm gonna add a little bit right here next, just to kind of mesh it all together, like so. Oh yeah, looks sick. Looks so good. Okay, right, I'm just gonna come in a bit closer so you can kind of see this eye look. It is just, it's epic, and it matches this top or this hoodie so well. I'm in love. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it so much. Oh my god, it's put me in the best mood ever. Right, so I'm gonna do liner. No, I'm not gonna do liner actually. I'm gonna do mascara. I'm gonna stick some gems on and I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back and I have finished doing all the gems. This is what I've created. I am legit, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Stick a gem on your face and you feel just epic. I did like blue ones, lighter blue ones. I've got like a little pink one inside and then gold ones. Got this epic set from Shein. I'll show you. You have like every color of gem and this was like a $5. It's like one of my best buys recently. This is the eyeshadow look. Honestly, I love it. I love it so much. I love this palette. I knew I would. I feel like if you want something very similar to this color story, then I'd get the new I think it's the Midnight palette from Beautybay, and if you see this in stock, I'd just be like, run and get it. Like, no hesitation, just cart and check out. I should tell you how incredible this palette is. No fallout, like just no fallout. I've worked with really intense pigments and I've not had any fallout. I'm just amazed. I'm amazed. I love it. This look, I showed this look to my mum and she's like, are you a fairy? And I was like, yeah. I feel like this is probably going to be my palette of 2022. I don't even think you can beat this in my eyes. You cannot. It is epically beautiful. Every shade works. All the shimmers are beautiful. And you know what? You could really do something neutral with this as well. Like use this shade, this brown shade. You've got some like light gold shimmers. You got this shade for under the brow bone. And this noir black shade looks like it'd be a really good liner. I just love it. Honestly, I think it's utterly beautiful. And it works so well. And I just, yes. I'm so happy right now. I'm in the best mood ever. If you guys would like to see me do more looks of this, just leave me a comment down below and I'll probably incorporate it into one of my future videos. Or if you want me to review anything, leave me a comment down below. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next one.